Today, we stumbled upon a true hidden gem in Bansalan, Davao Del Sur, Sir Peds Coffee Mount Apo, right here in Sitio Balutakay, Barangay Managa.
You knew I'd drop it all. Keys on the counter, coat on the floor.
Pag-abot pa lang nimo, you'll instantly feel it. Ang presko ug lami sa hangin nga bugnaw. Kalma kaayo ang palibot, super peaceful. Murag automatic gyud ma-reset ang imong kabisi sa kinabuhi. This isn't just any coffee shop. It's a whole experience perfect for nature lovers, those craving quiet moments, or anyone who just wants good conversations without the noise.
Don't you call out my name like you used to, like you used to. Say it soft, say it plain, make the room turn, make it bruise you if you're hurting in the dark.
They serve homegrown, home-based Arabica coffee, freshly brewed every time. Honestly, lami kaayo siya ipare sa view. This isn't your usual wake-up brew. It's the kind of coffee nga pang-relax gyud, pang-pahulay sa kalag. You can just chill, mag-istorya with friends, or even go on a solo date with yourself. Kay diri, walay pressure, walay saba sa gawas, just you, your thoughts, and the mountains standing guard. And don't miss their flower garden. Super nindot pang picture with vibrant blooms everywhere. Entrance fee is 100 pesos and 50 pesos consumable. Goes straight to your drink or food order. So basically, you're paying for the experience. They've got a full restaurant and coffee shop too. So dili ra coffee ang gina-offer nila. Pwede pud ka mukaon og proper meal. Then there's the swimming pool. Clean, spacious, and perfectly positioned overlooking the mountain views. Maglangoy ka nga feeling nimo naa ka sa taas sa kalibutan. Grabe ka refreshing ug relaxing. Perfect for overnight stays, staycations, or weekend escapes with family, barkada, or that special someone. Especially during sunset, mas grabe ka beautiful ang place. Golden light everywhere, cool mountain air, slow moments ka na makalimot ka sa oras ug sa tanan nga problema. So if you're searching for a spot na dili lang pang kape but pang reset sa life, ka na makapahinay sa imong adlaw, Sir Peds Coffee Mount Apo is the one to check out. Just message their Facebook page for inquiries and reservations.
Like you used to. Let it burn, let it stay.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more travels. See you on the next adventure.